everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you how you can search the Syracuse University libraries if you wanted to find your scientific article using their databases. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the homepage for the Syracuse University Library. And just a quick note, you will need to have your SUID and password at some point. You'll need to enter that in order to gain access to the journal or the article that you want. So make sure you have that handy before you get started. Now, when you come to the homepage, you'll see a search bar here, and this searches their search engine, which is called Summon. So if you have a very specific topic in mind that you're sure you want to study, you can go ahead and type that in there, and it will return all of the results having to do with that topic. Everything from journal articles, newspaper articles, books, dissertations, anything that Syracuse University has access to will come up in that search. Specifically, we are looking for scientific articles, so we're a little bit more interested in looking at journals. And if you're not exactly sure what your specific topic is going to be yet, I suggest you browse some journals in topics that you might be interested in. So we click on the journals link. That's going to take us to another search where we can search for specific journals. So I know I want a journal with the term forensic in it, so I'm going to change this to make sure that my title contains the word forensic. And I'm going to add an asterisk at the end so that I get not only titles that have forensic in them, but also that have forensics with the S at the end as well. And I'll search for all journals, and you should come up with 76 journals that have forensic or forensics in them. Now, what you're looking for in terms of finding a good journal to browse is that you want to make sure you have articles that are to the present or very close to the present. You'll notice the second one down ends in 2013. So that would not be a good journal for you to browse. I went ahead, of course, to prepare this, and I decided to take a look at the Forensic Anthropology Journal. Now, again, I don't know exactly what I want to study, but I know I want to do something in anthropology. So I'm just going to browse around in this journal. So I'm going to click on the Look Up Article link, and that's going to take me to another search page with the journal article, or I'm sorry, the journal title already filled in. Nothing else is filled in, right? The title, the authors, nothing like that, because I don't know yet what those are. So I can leave all of this blank and just hit Look Up again. And it's going to take me to the interface for the database. So this one happens to come from ProQuest. So I want to go ahead and tell it that I'm going to browse the journal. And now the journal page is going to come up. It's going to give me information about the journal, what volumes are available. And I can, again, if I have an idea of what I want to look for, I can search just within this journal, or I can just browse the journal itself. So here's the latest edition of the journal. I'll just click on that. And what I have here is the articles that were in that issue. Okay, and you can browse through them. You can see there's some figures that they show based on the titles. You can check on the abstracts, and you should be able to find a good article for your project. This first one happens to be a good article for the project. It's using a different technique, a new technique, in order to extract DNA from teeth that were exposed to different types of conditions that often occur during mass deaths. So I found that out by reading the abstract. The title and the abstract told me what I needed. And then I can dig deeper into the article to get what I want. So let's say I did want to use this article. I would click on it. And again, I've already entered my user ID and password, so that's why I'm not being asked for it. But at some point when you access it, you will be asked for your user ID and password. So here I can read the abstract. I can see the figures that are in the article. I can see the references in the article. And then at the top here, I have links to get the full text of the article. And I can download that full text as a PDF, which I can then annotate in OneNote or in Adobe if I wanted to. Now, another nice thing about most of these databases, ProQuest is one, Wiley would be another one that might come up, is that they usually are happy to provide you with the citation. So if I click on citation, you can see I have it already cited in the APA format. All I have to do is copy this and paste it into my notes section of my slide. Okay. If you want to, you can change this to a different system. Like if you're comfortable with MLA, here is the citation in MLA, right? And again, you just need to copy and paste it. So that's a really nice feature of these databases. So if you have any questions or issues in finding your article, just let me know. I'm happy to get on a meeting with you and look around and see what you're looking at and help you download the information that you need. So happy hunting. I can't wait to see what you guys find.